Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to unbox my new Samsung Smart TV 2025 model H5000F 32 inch. Okay, first of all we will take out everything from the box and we will set up it together step by step until we can use the TV. Okay, now you need to put the TV in this position and we need to screw the TV stand before we can going on to see more accessory. Okay, in this package we got two small TV stand like this and 4 screw. Okay, now you can try to insert the stand to the TV connection here like this. If you put wrong position you cannot insert it to the TV. Okay, now just insert it like this and use the screwdriver to screw. Okay, after we install the TV stand, now we can use the TV. Okay, so all we get is the TV, power cable, remote control with the battery, and this elbow 90-degree for the connect the antenna cable to the TV, and some user manual. Okay, on the back of the TV you will get two HDMI, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, one USB connection, the antenna connection and LAN connection. Okay, this antenna connection, if you want to connect it from the back, you can adjust the angle by connect this one, and now you can connect it freely with this angle connection. Okay, and the new coming model, there's no more for the AV connection to this smart TV. Okay, on another thing, the power cable will be connected from here with this position. Okay, now we can input the power supply to the TV. Now we can turn on the TV. First of all, you need to select language. To select English, you need to press upper button. Select this one. Hi. Okay. Press select. And now I want to set up it step by step with the remote control. And now select your country region. So I'm not yet connect anything to the TV. Okay, this time just press next. Press next. And now connect your TV to the Wi-Fi network. Okay, when you select your Wi-Fi network, you will see this background of the keyboard like show in here, and you can select this one to show ABC, select this one for capital letter, and for the number you can use all the number on your remote control. After you complete the password, now press go. Okay, connect. Agree to term and condition and press OK. Start setup. Okay, now you need to log in your Samsung account. Okay, now on your smartphone you need to download this SmartThings app. After download and install the SmartThings app, now open the app. But first of all, in the app you need to sign in your Samsung account. But if you don't have the Samsung account, you need to create one by your own. Just press create account to your mobile, and after you already create the Samsung account, now log into the app. Okay, on the app you just press this plus button to add device. Select add device. On below here you will find the word scan QR code. Select on it and now scan the QR on the TV, and now it's verify the code. Add manually. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Now connecting. Okay, you will find the 32-inch HD TV here. Select on it. Okay, now it's got to the third step. Okay, on the mobile you just press next. And on your TV now confirm next. Tick register my product. Select register. Okay, agree the term and condition. Okay, agree to backup storage. Press next. Okay, now press next. Select your country region, press next. Create a pin, so you can create pin. Skip, connect Spotify, skip. Okay, now you are done. And the TV is now ready to use. Okay. Okay, now you already add a device to your Samsung SmartThings app, and now your TV is ready to go, and you can play around with the TV. For example, we go to YouTube and anything else, it's now workable. Just first of all, we press get start. Void as a guest. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of the first time unboxing the Samsung Smart TV 32-inch model H5000F. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope this video will give you some information about this TV. I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.